How to fix Roblox error code 5403 on your Roblox. In this video, I will show you and teach you how to fix this on your Roblox. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps. Here on apps you have to search for Roblox. When you found it, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here on storage option, what you should do right now, just go to clear data, click OK and click on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go back, and now the last step is to restart your phone. And that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.